How to fix ControlLib.dll easy anti-cheat untrusted system file error? Hello friends, ControlLib.dll file is an Intel graphics driver related file. So this error indicates that something is wrong with the latest update for the Intel driver file or Epic Game Launcher. The error mostly occurs with the Fortnite game. DirectX 11 is the root cause of the problem. So follow the steps to fix it. Launch Epic Game Launcher. Go to library. Because the error appears when you are playing Fortnite. So click on 3 dots for Fortnite and select Manage. Go to the launch options and turn on this option. In the box here, type -D3 D12. Click anywhere to close the manager. Now play the game. The game should work smoothly.